Thinking about the HP Dragonfly G4 or the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: design, performance, battery life, and more. Watch till the end to find out which one is the better buy in 2025. I've also included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps me out. When comparing the HP Dragonfly G4 and the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition, both premium business ultra-portables, distinct philosophies emerge in their design and build quality. The Dragonfly G4 opts for a refined matte black chassis crafted from 90% recycled magnesium alloy, offering an elegant yet environmentally conscious finish and weighing a mere 2.5 pounds. Its understated aesthetics and rounded edges provide a comfortable, professional feel. In contrast, the X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition is even lighter at 2.17 pounds, utilizing CNC milled carbon fiber and magnesium alloy for a durable MIL STD 810H compliant frame. Its Aura styling, including a ceramic-coated palm rest, lends a sharper, more modern edge. Regarding ports and connectivity, the Dragonfly G4 provides a solid selection for an ultra-portable featuring two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A with a drop-jaw hinge, one HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone mic combo jack. It also offers an optional nano SIM slot for WWON. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, however, generally outclasses the competition with an even more generous array. On its left side, it includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, one USB-A. The right side features an HDMI 2.1 and another USB-A with a nano SIM WWON slot. Both laptops support modern wireless standards, with the Dragonfly G4 offering Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, while the X1 Carbon Gen 13 steps up to Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. When comparing the displays of the HP Dragonfly G4 and the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, the latter stands out with its stunning 14-inch 2.8K OLED panel offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, reaching up to 500 nits peak brightness. In contrast, the Dragonfly G4's baseline 13.5-inch 1920 by 1280 non-touch IPS LCD, while offering a productivity-friendly 3:2 aspect ratio and 405 nits brightness, provides only average color performance. However, the Dragonfly G4 does offer a recommended OLED upgrade, which dramatically improves sharpness, contrast, and color depth, making it a competitive option. In terms of cameras, the Dragonfly G4 features a 1440p IR webcam that delivers sharp images and accurate skin tones, further distinguished by its unique simultaneous dual webcam support, allowing for advanced features like picture-in-picture and auto-switching views. The X1 Carbon Gen 13, on the other hand, sports a 1080p IR camera with AI-powered auto-framing and background blur, along with a convenient ThinkShutter privacy slider. Both laptops excel in keyboard and touchpad design. The Dragonfly G4 offers deep key travel, snappy feedback, and near-silent actuation, making for a delightful typing experience, complemented by a generously sized and accurate touchpad. The X1 Carbon Gen 13 boasts the iconic ThinkPad keyboard with satisfying click and travel, along with the versatile track point and a precision glass touchpad, offering two excellent input methods. Regarding battery life, the ThinkPad truly shines, delivering an exceptional 19 hours and 49 minutes in video streaming tests, making it one of the longest-lasting OLED laptops. The HP Dragonfly G4 also offers impressive endurance, lasting 14.5 hours in video streaming tests, significantly longer than many premium ultrabooks, with solid endurance even for the OLED configuration. For processing power, the HP Dragonfly G4 is equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1365U processor, which is a capable chip for everyday business productivity, web browse, and video conferencing. In contrast, the ThinkPad steps up with an Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor from the newer Lunar Lake generation, featuring an enhanced NPU for AI tasks. This newer chip generally offers better multi-threaded performance, providing a more robust foundation for demanding productivity and light content creation. When it comes to editing power, the Dragonfly G4, with its Intel Iris Xe graphics, can handle light photo editing and non-intensive tasks in programs like Photoshop or Lightroom. However, for heavier creative workloads, such as 4K video editing or 3D rendering, it is not the ideal machine. The X1 Carbon Gen 13, with its integrated Intel Arc 140V graphics, offers a more capable integrated GPU, which, while still not a discrete solution, provides a noticeable improvement in graphical performance compared to Iris Xa. This allows for slightly more demanding creative tasks. Neither laptop is designed for serious gaming or GPU-intensive applications. The Dragonfly G4 can manage casual games like Stardew Valley or Among Us, but anything more graphically demanding is beyond its capabilities. Similarly, the X1 Carbon Gen 13, despite its more advanced Intel Arc graphics, is best suited for casual gaming and video streaming, topping the integrated graphics segment but remaining far slower than systems with dedicated GPUs. For AAA gaming or heavy GPU-accelerated editing, both devices would fall short, and users would need to consider laptops with discrete graphics options. Both are excellent business laptops, but the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 takes the win in 2025 with its OLED display, better performance, longer battery life, and superior build. It's the smarter pick for professionals who want power and portability.